donkey dog is shooting by Chandler, and today I'm gonna talk a little bit about this Yamaha PSR 76, and 76 is a pretty sexy number because the year I was born, a Gemini Dragon. Not important, but I just shove it in that my fans know a little bit about me. Yeah, I also called the banana engineer from Eastern Europe by one of those Arabs or Turks or Muslims. But anyway, let's move on. Now, this is the life inside, and some butcher tried to fix something here and chopped off those two wires, and those wires coming from the control panel, which is obviously the on and off switch. Yeah, so if that wire is not connected somewhere here, the whole unit is not gonna work, and this is my problem. I checked other videos on YouTube. There's a Russian guy doing something, but you know, he was filming it for 2.5 kilometers, so obviously with electronics you should film it close because other people can't see. And basically I just thought I give this little video. I'm pretty sure I won't be able to fix it, but at least you know how it looks inside, and if any other wires are missing in yours except of those two, then you will know where they're connected, so it gives you a reasonable view what's going on. Obviously that's for the battery. This is here, and then those are the speakers. These are the speakers. Yeah. So unfortunately, I don't know where that was. Must have been somewhere here. Also, it's quite dodgy because that doesn't look like factory to me. So I think this Q-Cab engineer tried to fix here something. I don't think that's from the factory. And on the top of this piano had some water damage. As you can see, this is a sign of water damage. So it must have been in a very humid place. But I'm not going to be spending any time to fix it because it's just not worth it. I picked it up from the recycling center, so I'm just gonna pack it up and dump it back right there where it's coming from. So donkey dog is tuning into my channel. Not one of the most helpful videos, but it is a video, and someone need to pay for the fuel it cost me to bring it home. No, keep hitting those advertisements, and I see you a little bit later. Like, share, comment, and arawa. The donkey dog is for tuning my channel, and this is the follow-up of that Yamaha keyboard PSR 76, which I just fixed. Now what happened that some butcher, yeah, Georgia, that's all right. Some butcher chopped up that wire. So he threw the keyboard out and went all the way through the trouble to open it up and chop up the wire, thinking that if someone finds it, hopefully they can't use it. But the banana engineer from Eastern Europe, yeah, yeah, worked it out. I did initially I believed. That's weird. That's very weird because it's even working now without the wire being installed. But it's had its own mind, yeah. I didn't press any buttons, just started. said that, I think if that is not connected, then the switch is not working. I'm very confused now. Either way, it's a bit of a mix and match. I don't know what this wire is doing. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it doesn't. But generally, it became a fun video, and as far as I'm concerned, I kind of fixed it ish. I don't know.